2 years ago today. Doorbell. You know that little ding your phone makes when someone's at the door? I want you to forget that sound. Because after tonight, you're never going to hear it the same way again. It was 11:47. I was lying in bed, scrolling through nothing, when my phone buzzed once. Not a doorbell ring, a notification. It said, 2 years ago today. I thought it was one of those dumb photo memory things, like Facebook does. Look back at this day 2 years ago. So I tapped it. And there it was. My own front porch. My own door. Standing wide open into pure sonata. That thick, dead silence you only get at 3 a.m. when even the crickets have gone quiet. And someone was standing in the doorway, looking directly into the camera. I have never seen this footage before in my life. Okay, let me back up. My name doesn't matter for this story. What matters is I've had a Ring doorbell for almost 3 years now. Standard stuff. Porch package thief, the occasional raccoon, my neighbor's cat judging me at 2 a.m. Normal, boring suburban nonsense. But that night, staring at this clip, time-stamped exactly 2 years ago, almost to the minute, I felt something cold crawl up the back of my neck. A cough, this feeling of dread I couldn't explain, because logically, nothing was wrong. It was just old footage. Except I didn't remember it at all. I clicked play. The porch light flickers on. My door, which I lock every single night, I'm borderline obsessive about it, swings open from the inside. From the inside. And I watch myself walk out onto the porch in my pajamas, eyes open, face completely blank, like nobody was home behind them. I stood there in the video for almost 40 seconds, just staring into the dark yard, not moving, not blinking that I could see. Then a shape steps out of the tree line, and I open the door wider, like I was inviting it in. The clip ends there, 11 seconds long. Timestamp 2:14 a.m., 2 years ago today. I checked my call log, my texts, my camera roll from that week. Nothing. No memory. Not one single trace that this night ever happened. So why did the app just now decide to show it to me? I couldn't sleep after that, obviously. So I did what any of us would do. I opened the Ring app and started scrolling backward, digging through 2 years of stored clips, praying it was some algorithm glitch, some weird archived memory bug. That's when I noticed something worse. There were dozens of clips from that same week, 2 years back. Dozens. All muted. All marked notification dismissed. But I never dismissed them. I don't even remember getting them. I opened one from the night before the intruder clip. Same porch, same dead quiet hour, And there I am again, sleepwalking apparently, because I sure as hell don't remember any of this, standing at the door, just waiting. Like something out there already knew I'd open it eventually. I scrolled to the account settings, hands actually shaking a little, and found a toggle buried 3 menus deep. Mute motion alerts, 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. Enabled. I never turned that on. Or did I? I know what you're thinking. Sleepwalking. It happens. People do weird things half asleep. It's not exactly a ghost story. That's what I told myself too. So I forced myself to watch the full clip again, all the way through, no looking away this time. And that's when I saw the second figure, clearly. It wasn't standing at the tree line anymore. It was closer, right at the edge of the porch light, where the video compression turns everything to grain and shadow. That ajeeb si parchai, that strange wrong-shaped shadow that doesn't move like a person should. It had no face, just a smear, like the camera itself refused to focus on it. And in the final second of the clip, the very last frame before it cuts off, that shape is standing in my doorway. Not outside anymore. Inside the frame of my own front door. I slammed my laptop shut, sat there in the dark of my bedroom, heart absolutely hammering. And I thought, okay, it's over. It's just a clip. It's 2 years old. Whatever happened that night, happened. It's done. I actually said that out loud to convince myself. That's when my phone buzzed again. Another notification. Same porch. Same 2 years ago today. Same night. Same timestamp. A different angle. I want you to understand something, because this is the part that broke me. I went back through my account activity log, the deep one, the one buried in settings that most people never open, and I found something that I still to this day cannot explain. That mute setting, the one silencing alerts between midnight and 5 a.m., it had been toggled back on, manually, every single year, on the same date. Once, 2 years ago. Once, last year. Nobody touches this app but me. There's no shared account, no family member with access. Just me. The app wasn't malfunctioning. It had been trying to warn me. Every year, on the anniversary, it resurfaces the clip, tries to notify me, and every single time, something goes into my settings and silences it before I ever see it. Something that knows exactly how to stop me from finding out. Something that's been getting into my house long before that camera ever caught it on video. I looked at the clock. 11:59 p.m. 1 minute till midnight. 1 minute till the exact moment, 2 years ago, that door swung open. I heard my own front door unlock from the inside. I didn't move. I couldn't move. I just sat there, listening to my own footsteps. Footsteps I wasn't taking, walking down my hallway toward the front door. The Ring app buzzed one final time in my hand. Live view. Someone had triggered the motion sensor. I looked down at the screen, and I watched myself, live, right now, open the front door and step outside into the dark. Eyes open, face blank, exactly like the video from 2 years ago. I'm telling you this because I need someone, anyone, to understand what's happening to me before the next notification pops up. Because I think tonight isn't a memory anymore. It's happening again. And this time, I don't think the app is going to let me sleep through it. If you get a notification like this, X years ago today, from your own doorbell cam, don't check your mute settings. Just lock your door and don't open it, no matter who's standing there, no matter whose face it's wearing.